In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a 1000 separator. If you're working with large numbers in Excel, adding a 1000 separator makes your data far easier to scan and understand at a glance. We'll turn it on using Excel's built-in formatting, and I'll share a few quick tips so you get the result you expect. Start by selecting the cell that holds a number you want to format. If you want this to apply to more than one value, it's fine to select a whole range, a column, or even multiple non-adjacent cells before you begin. With your selection ready, right-click to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad or a device without a right-click, you can use Control-click or a two-finger tap to bring up the same menu. From the menu, choose Format Cells. This opens a dialog that controls how your values appear without changing the underlying data. Think of it like switching the way numbers are displayed on the surface, while the real value stays intact for formulas and calculations. In the Format Cells window, go to the number category on the left. This is the standard numeric display, and it's perfect when you want readable figures that still behave like true numbers. On the right, you'll see options related to number formatting, including decimal places, how negatives look, and a preview of the final result. Now, turn on the option to use the 1000 separator. Depending on your regional settings, this might show as a comma, a period, or even a thin space. The preview updates instantly so you can confirm it looks right. If you also want to control how many digits appear after the decimal point, you can do that here too, and the preview will reflect your choice. With that set, try it out. Click into a formatted cell and type a large number, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and press Enter. Excel will automatically display it with the 1000 separator, like 1,234,567 in regions that use commas. Existing numbers in your selection will pick up the formatting as well. If your values suddenly look wider, that's normal. Just widen the column so the full number is visible. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. The separator style follows your system or Excel regional settings, so if you see a different symbol than you expect, that's why. Also, make sure your entries are actual numbers, not text. If they're left-aligned and don't change appearance, they may be stored as text and won't pick up number formatting. That's all it takes to make large figures clean, consistent, and easy to read with a 1000 separator.